Alright, second fish of the morning.
Fish on. Nice size red. Like a beast.
5/26, 2008. Travis, second red of the day. Looks to be a bit of a bruiser. I wish the boat was on the other side.
In the net.
Got him in, look at there. Hold him up.
Alright, here he comes. He's coming up the net. He's probably a bull red. I would say he is.
Think that was that big one over there?
Bigger than the one I caught last week.
Ooh, nice one. Nice one. That was a good red.
Big red, probably 8 pounds right there. Alright, till next time. Big old red. Trying to get my... He's throwing me everywhere.
See if you can pull him out on that side.
Another big one. Oh, get it. Got it.
Woo!
Oh,
Nice one.
in the main canal. Here he comes out. I'm going to show you.
There's the one just jumped over there. Nice one. Nice one. Measure him out.
Croaking too.
Huh?
He's croaking too.
Alright, see how big he is.
Let's see how big this sucker is. I cannot believe that in the main canal. He's croaking like crazy. I never heard one croak that much.
Probably just a little ticked off at you.
Yeah. It's got a little bull croaker in him. Let's see,
That's two good sized ones today.
$23.5.
Good job. Nice one. That's pretty.
Till next time.
There's a few more out there. Why not one more? Pull it in, Travis.
Oh man, he's a big boy too.
See if you can get him on this side.
I'm bringing him over. Oh man, he's a nice size one too. There we go.
My boat is going everywhere. Hold on. Yeah, hold them up now. I'll start fishing them. The wind not getting really bad. Hold on. Nice. Keep them on that side if you can. Oh shit, yeah. Of course my boat moved.
Oh, here she comes in.
Oh, your boat's in the way.
I got her.
Hold on. Pick it up again.
Yeah, I'll pick her up. Here she comes.
That'd be a good one.